Hello friends, welcome back to Error Solution. In this video I will start new series. So in this series what I explain. So Laravel 11 inside how to work permission using role wise. So I have already read some points. So in this video I will cover first point like introduction and Laravel 11 install. Before I will start for this all the point how it's work, you are new in the channel otherwise in this series. So please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. And do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. So let's start now. So why I am creating this series? Because of some developer need to do permission wise work. Like he need to show specific user means user wise menu means menu you are assigned as a roles and roles wise we need to show. Suppose first you are create one roles, okay, and these roles you are assigned to specific user. So these roles against what's the permission there? Like a dashboard permission to always there, me know. Suppose users permission you are provide for the one user, he can only add, impossible to edit, impossible to delete. So like this permission you can provide. Also he can create a new roles. So this permission also you can provide like category, subcategory, product, setting. Like this permission you can do it like add, edit, deletes, views, like lots of permission like filters. What part do you want to provide permission? I can explain everything for this series step by step. So in this video I will cover introduction. So first what I do, introduction inside I told you what we can do. First we can set up the themes. Once themes download, I can think my mind which theme is better. Once I will set up the themes in this video I will explain these themes we are using. After we can create one login screen, like a login screen inside you can log in as a users and log in as a admin. Admin have all permission but user have no any permission. Once admin create a users, now this time whatever permission provide this user can see it. And admin side also we have new menu like roles. So who is a create by admin, and also he is a provide a permission for the role wise. So we need to create a new tables inside database permission inside we can add all the menu, and this menu again we can give the permission for this role. And admin also create a users and also assign a roles. You can see it I already read. And after user login, so user can see it like a permission wise menu. So left side sometimes showing menu like some user like a 2 menu, some user like 5 menus, some user like 10 menus. So is showing the menu. And also we need to provide permission inside a access page. Suppose sometimes menu show not show but links works, so it's not good. So links also stop. So we need to do like a access permission wise, means I will told you like a page wise permission works. So I will write some point, and this is the like a demo projects for the how to work roles and permission. So we can create some dummy page, not dummy page, we can use like dashboard, users, roles, category, subcategory and product and setting. Like this page create, we can provide like a user wise permission so you can better understand and you can do it in your real time projects. This is the very easy way I will explain, so you can do it 100% and you can't find any doubt because of I have good knowledge about the permission. So don't worry, just follow this series and you can do it. Okay, so in this video I have explained like an introduction. Now we need to install Laravel 11. So first Laravel 11 do you want to install? So first you need to download like a gem server. So our is a one series there Laravel 11. You can open this series. So this series again you can see it like install Laravel 11 on gem server with composer. So this video you can watch like a 12 minutes only watch, so you know how to install and how we can install gem server with composer, because all need a latest. So is Laravel 11 work because of PHP 8.2. So just watch this video so you can find out 100% solution about Laravel 11 how to install. Okay, first means I will show you how to install in this video, so don't worry, but I just told you how to install like a gem server and composer with latest PHP my version like a 8.2. I already installed, I already start my gem server, so you can see it like a welcome Windows 8.2.12. Suppose I open my PHP my admin, so you can also see it what version is already installed. So just taking few seconds because of first times open, this is the reasons, otherwise no any reasons. So just taking few seconds more. Sometime take, sometime not take, because of I have not repressed like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, so it's taking time. You can see it like PHP version, you see 8.2.12. So means I have it done. So you can go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com, and after click on the release note and click on the Laravel 11. Once you can click, so here is a found like a documentation how to install. So here is a showing the like a gem server download installs. Also you can see like composer download installs, and we need to install like a fresh Laravel. So this command just copy above step you done. After you can copy these commands and you can go to your htdoc folders. Inside you can open your terminal. Okay, once you can open the terminal, you can paste your copy command, and here you can provide your project name. So my project simple like a permission, whatever project name there you can provide, because I have a create for this series only for permission, so people can do it, when developer can do it, is an ongoing project. This is the reason I am doing. After you can press the enter, so project start creating like a simple command there like composer create projects laravel slash laravel and permission. You can see it version start 11.0.6 is installing, taking few second more after installs, and here you can see it like a automatic one folder created like a permission, you see. Let's open composer.json file so you can understand better way. So you can see like PHP version 8.2, Laravel framework like 11s, and Laravel Tinker. And here also I am missing one point like a middleware. We also need to do here middleware like a login and admin after we need to work as a middleware. But this is the middleware for only checking his login, not login. Here no any roles provided inside middleware, because some video my series C, so I have provide like a roles like a is admin equal to 1, is admin 2, 0, like this we have provided roles. But here just we are checking this user, otherwise admin login, okay is login, so we can access the page inside, otherwise no need to access the page. This reason we need to use here middleware, otherwise no any use for the middleware in this series. So simple way we can use middleware. Okay, so here is the installing, so you can see it like a generating optimized autoloads file. So let's take few minutes more, and after is the installation done. Why I create, I told you permission work, because permission always need, because you are 5 people there in your company, otherwise in your hotel, any place your business, so just you need to provide like specific permission, like this user need to do only product add, no need to add a create the category, no need to add a subcategory, just add a products and add it, no need to delete. So this is the reason we need a permission, because permission always good for restriction. Suppose means you understand about permission words, simple restriction, we don't want to give full access. This reason, so now you can create a multiple roles, and multiple roles against you can create a multiple users. This reason we are doing like a roles wise permission, otherwise also possible user wise permission, but this series I will create new how to provide user wise, but mainly in developing line always work roles wise permission. User wise permission you can create, so some user need this permission, some user need this permission. So your business like a 2 or 5 roles, so first you can create roles, and roles against you can do permission. This reason I have did roles wise permissions. Okay, so let's wait sometimes. So Laravel 11 is installing, because of take some time, suppose you are trying your end, so you can also understand. So let's wait some few minutes more. Okay, now it's doing the installation, and also he's creating user tables like this, they're running migrations. Okay, but we need to create tables after we can do it, so it's already prepared database, so we can't do anything. So okay, just wait and watch. So is the installation done? Let's run this project. Is working, not working? So localhost and permissions, and just press the enter, and so you can see it, our project, and click on the public, so you can see it Laravel 11 installed done. You can see it also Laravel 11 3.1, and also here PHP version also showing like 8.2. So means installation proper way, we have no any issue. So let's remove the public folder, and let's show in the next video first downloading, after we can remove the public folder, and how we can set up the only logins, after we can show up the like themes. So I can show you in next video. So I hope you are clear about what I am explaining for this series, like introduction and how we can install the Laravel 11. I have already done in this video. Suppose do you have any question about like introduction inside the installation, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And do you want to buy any script, just go to our official website and you can buy it. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.